Welcome to another vlog, guys. It's not about this Range Rover Sport Cabaro, one of our most popular Range Rover Sport body kits. Now today we've got the brand new Range Rover Sport here at Enkahnz HQ, and we're doing a 3D scan on it to make our new body kit. Now this is a massive challenge for me. As you guys know, the Range Rover Sport is one of our signature body kits and probably one of our most popular body kits we've ever done here. So let's take it back to our first Range Rover Sport Bodykit body kit for the L320. That was a very popular body kit. Until this day, we're still selling that body kit and we can't make it quick enough. So we had two editions of that. We had the wide arch edition and the non-wide. Then we stepped it up to the L494, the 2014 to 2021. Which Lonnie got customized. If you remember Lonnie from Doncaster, who came to pick his car up with his lovely wife. And that's the Cabaro body kit. And now again, guys, I'm not gonna just say that, but this body kit was a big hit and still is. As you guys know, it's one of our most popular body kits that you see on our previous vlog. We do a lot of customizations on the Range Rover Sport and we use the Cabaro body kit. Now the challenge is, we've got the new Range Rover Sport and it's next door getting scanned. Let's go have a look at it. Here we have the third generation Range Rover Sport, the brand new Sport, and we've not done a review on this. You're probably thinking, well, we're a little bit late. Well, actually, we've been designing a kit for this for a very long time, and I'm not going to show you the kit, unfortunately, because this is one of our very exclusive body kits. And if you remember previously on our blog, we designed a kit for the new Range Rover, which will be launching hopefully in the next probably couple of months. We will be going in the workshop later on and showing you where we're up to with that body kit. But anyway, it's about the new Range Rover. We've got Paul here scanning the car. He's using the Metra scan. He scans the whole car. Obviously we're using a scanner, and all the data on the scanner is coming into the laptop with all the data that we'll use and create obviously a 3D model of the car, and then we'll create our body kit from there. From there we'll create a mold, and from the mold we'll create our products and so on. It's a long procedure, so you've got to appreciate, not just me, but all car designers and obviously car body kit manufacturers that make these kits. You've got to appreciate it does take a long time. But as you know, our kit's a little bit different. Our Bodykit brand, we do like to make things exclusive and a little bit loud and a little bit different. So let's take a look at the front of the car. So the Range Rover Sport compared to the previous model, I do like the car, don't get me wrong, but I do prefer the L494 model. Will I grow on it? Am I happy with the design of the car compared to the previous one? To be honest, I do prefer the previous model. I am a fan of the L494, the second generation Range Rover Sport. I mean, when new cars do come out, usually you do tend to go, well, I'm not sure about that. And I remember saying that with the new X5, with the new Audi Q7, and also the Defender. But then eventually you just start liking them and you just get used to seeing them on the road. I was the first to see the car actually, because somebody sent me the pictures of the car behind the scenes, and I told you I got a phone call from Land Rover because I did put a picture of it on my Instagram before even Land Rover launched it or released it, and I thought I was going to get in trouble, but they kindly asked me to remove the post, which I did, and they promised me to call me on the launch. Can you believe this, Paul? Range Rover rang me, and I got a picture of the Sport before anybody, and I put it on my Instagram. And Range Rover called me. I don't know how they got my number, but they called me. And they said, can you please remove the post and we'll call you on the launch of the new Sport when it comes out. No problem. Obviously, I'm loyal to Range Rover, and it is a car that I work on a lot, and I do a lot of work for Range Rover themselves. And so yeah, I took that picture off, and then did I get an invitation, Paul? What do you think?
I'm thinking not, probably.
Well, he's right. I didn't. So now, guys, next time a new Range Rover comes out and I get a picture first, I'll be putting it on and I will not be deleting it. That's for sure. But now our job is to create a body kit for this, to create a masterpiece, to create something very unique. Can I do it? I did it with the first generation Range Rover Sport. I've done it with the second generation. But could I do it with the third generation? I've got faith in myself. I think I can. Well, I know I can because I've designed an awesome body kit for this car. I'm not going to show you any pictures, unfortunately, guys. I cannot. What am I going to do to it? That's the question, right? You want to know what am I going to do to this car? Right, firstly, the front bumper for the Sport autobiography front bumper, we're going to have the front apron. Now, obviously, it's going to be quite large, not a little subtle lip. It's going to be quite large, similar to our Defender, but obviously not the design. And then we're going to have some wide arches, which are going to integrate into the front bumper as well. We're going to have two versions of this. We're going to have the wide arch edition and the non-wide edition. The wide arches are going to be stuck on, and then they're going to flow down into the lower door mouldings. Again, we're going to have the lower door mouldings, and we might need to replace them actually. They're not going to be something that we can stick on top of them, so we will need to replace the lower door mouldings, which will start from the wing, the front door, the back door, and then again, a wide arch into the back door and into the quarter panel. So we're going to have a quad exhaust. We're going to have twin exhaust on this side and one on the opposite side. And the back bumper is going to have, I don't know, I'm giving it away. I might just show you the picture, the way I'm going on. What do you think, Paul? Can you imagine the body kit, right? Should I show you a picture? I don't know, I might show you a teaser, I don't know, I'm really tempted to show you, but I just can't, I'm sorry. But the problem that I've got, and a lot of my colleagues at work will tell you, I can't keep things in my stomach, I just got to let everything out. I can't keep secrets, Paul. No. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
That's a good thing. It's
a good thing, right? It just shows how I am. You know, I don't keep anything in my heart, I just let everything out. Interior, yeah, we'll be working on the interior as well. We'll be working on our upholstery design with the bespoke, obviously all the leather and the patterns and the detailing will be a little bit more different, but that will be obviously on our second edition. We'll probably have a few editions on this one, so we'll start off with the non-wide edition, then we'll have the wide edition, then we'll have the one that's fully customized from the exterior to the interior. And the wheels now, what we're doing with the wheels. Well, Range Rover have decided to start putting on 23-inch alloy wheels. And I remember when I used to have a Range Rover, and I used to take, this years ago, I used to take my car to Range Rover for warranty reasons, and they used to say, well, we're not warrantying your car or fixing your car because you've got 23-inch alloy wheels on. Well, I didn't see the point of all that hassle when they've started putting 23-inch alloy wheels on their cars themselves. But anyway, that's another debate, and we'll just leave that to the lawyers to fight out. So we've got the new Shuriken alloy wheels that we did design for the Range Rover Sport. We have them in polished face and also gloss black. And with many other colours as well, we can customise and paint them in any of the colours. But I will probably be designing an exclusive wheel for this body kit. I actually have, look, see, that's the problem. I can't keep it in my stomach. Just told them that as well. Right, I have designed an alloy wheel. Not sure about it just yet, but most likely I will be having something different from the Shuriken. So that's what we're doing. But your question is, you're probably thinking, what does the body kit look like? Should I show you a teaser or something? I don't know, I'm tempted. Should I show them, Paul?
No, keep it. Keep it in your stomach.
The Land Rover Defender by Bodykit. This is a two-door one that we've done. Same procedure, we scanned the car, we designed our body kit, and it's been very, very popular body kit. One of my favourite body kits in our collection. The Defender definitely is. It's got the bonnet on there, the bonnet vents. It's got the front bumper apron. Again, it's not, we don't take off the front bumper, we just add on. This is what we're going to be doing to the Range Rover Sport as well. The design's a lot different, of course, but it's a similar kind of way of fitment. So add it onto the original. We've got the wide arches, we've got Sabre alloys on there, the side vents, roof spoiler, door mouldings. Coming back at the car, we've got a rear bumper, carbon quad exhaust, roof spoiler. Wow, it looks so nice with the two-door. Amazing, amazing. So this is our two-door Defender Bodykit body kit, also available in the four-door. Where does the four-door one? I think it's on for a wash. Right, it's very cold today. What's happened to the weather? God, I need to go back to Dubai. Right, and the Camaro again, the L494. This is the Range Rover Sport, but we are superseding this body kit. We are moving on to the new Range Rover L461, the 3rd generation Range Rover. Can I do a better job than what I've done on the Camaro? Can I exceed my own expectations? Listen, I'm going to go in because it's raining. So the question is, can I do a better job than what I've done on the Range Rover Camaro? I still don't want to show you the picture of the new design. Sorry guys, I cannot show you. But I promise you this, it's going to be better than the Camaro. I promise you that. Okay, just before I go into the workshop, let's go see the lads. How's it going, boys? It's such a messy office, isn't it?
Just
You know why is there health and safety issues? You know what I mean? You're getting caught bang to rights on camera. Come on guys, let's keep it minimal in here, man. Minimal is a key word.
It's in process.
I know you tripped over that. But anyway, Arslan's moved offices. He's been promoted, should we say.
Yeah.
He's been kicked out of Imran's office. And he's come here, front row, he's on the front line now. He's going to be dealing with customers direct. With Dawood, together, the dream team of course. Right, anyway, moving on. Right guys, new Range Rover Sport, what do you think of it?
I prefer the old one, to be honest.
That's what I said. Dawood, come on then, don't give no technical, biblical kind of sentence, yeah? Just, what do you think of the Range Rover?
I've not seen the new one next door, but I prefer the old one.
Right, he's never seen a new Range Rover Sport here?
I've seen plenty around here, but
we've had about 15 in the workshop.
But
I've just not had a chance to do a vlog on it, of course, because I've been travelling, busy working, but this one obviously it's our own, so we're just going to make sure that we put a body kit on our own car. So what do you think? Do you want to go have a look at it?
Yeah, I'll have a look at it now.
Come on then, let's have a quick look then before I go in the workshop. So here you go, sir. This is your wife, Shagufta. Sorry, I meant Bushra. Sorry. Range Rover, come over here. I'm not introducing you to your wife as a car. Come on, get your hands out of your pocket. I'm telling these guys, come on guys, let me retire from YouTube and you guys be the face, you know, of Enkahnz and just do the vlogs, but I don't know, if there's some kind of medicine out there guys, please prescribe it to these young ones so they can just take over, let me rest and be a bit more confident. Right, what do you think?
Looks nice, looks a bit like the Villa.
That's what I said.
The lights. But to be honest with you, I prefer the old one, the pre-facelift 2018 to 2021 shape.
I think it's something that will grow on because every time a new car comes out, you just think, oh God, I'm not sure about that. Like the Cullinan when that came out.
Yeah.
I remember the Q7 when that came out as well. Defender as well. Do you know what I mean? We were like, we're not sure about that, but then eventually over time you just grown it. I think you just got to move with the times, mate.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So yes, Range Rover Villa, exactly what I said, but our job is to create something bespoke, something different.
Yeah, of course.
And something unique. Now you've seen the body kit.
Yeah.
So do you want to give, what do you think?
Looks beautiful, really aggressive. At the moment the car's very toned down.
Don't give too much information away because I've not revealed the picture. Believe it or not, I've still kept it in my stomach.
Guys, we still kept it a secret.
Why are you trying to say I can't keep secrets? Can't keep things in my stomach?
You like to give sneak peeks, but
I do. Let's share, man. Why keep it in? It causes, if you keep things in, it causes illnesses and stress and anxiety. Let it out.
Yeah.
Anything that you got in your mind, guys, in your heart, in any situation, just let it out. Because when you keep it in and hold it in, be it a problem, be it an issue, whatever, it's going to cause issues mentally for you and your health-wise. So just let it out. This is the pattern for our new Range Rover body kit. Okay, so as you can see, this has been made out of high density polyester, very close to, it's like a wood to be honest with you, same kind of density, and this is just the pattern. So using a CNC machine, we've made this pattern, and this is the front bumper or front apron. It's not a bumper, it's the apron that goes onto the front bumper, and Derek has put a special spray filler, polyester filler onto this so it can create a more of a better surface. And what we're going to do then, we're going to flatten it all down, and from this we're going to take a mold. So this is obviously just the pattern, and then from there we'll take the mold and then we'll create our products. Our products will be created in carbon fiber and also in GRP, so we'll be having two versions. rest of the body kit, we've got the rear bumper that's already done, the side skirt, the rear spoiler, which is over there, the door moldings are there as well. But I'll probably do that in another vlog because this is dragging on a little bit, guys, and I don't want to bore you. But anyway, finishing off the vlog, let's finish off with these beautiful G-Wagons. We've got these G-Wagons here that have been facelifted with a Bodykit body kit. So when I talk about facelift, I'm talking about these are older G-Wagons, W463. We facelifted them to look like the W464, which is the 2018 plus model. This has been facelifted to the 2018 plus model, the G63 style, and it's got the darker lights on there. Facelifted the front end, got the Bodykit front lip on there, the bonnet, roof spoiler, etc. We've got another one over here which I don't want to go into detail too much because we are going to be doing a separate vlog on that later on. But we painted that a custom satin paint finish on there, and again that is looking very aggressive. We will be dropping that off to London to a customer, and then I'll be doing a little vlog there in London, so stay tuned for that, guys. I'm very, very excited. It's like I feel like I'm a kid in a candy store with all these new designs that are coming. We've also got a new design for the Cullinan as well. We're working on something, so stay tuned for that. And also we've got some new wheels hopefully this year, a lot of body kits and a lot of new ventures. So thank you for watching, guys, and obviously stay tuned for the Range Rover Sport. It will be a long journey, but it'll be worth the wait, and obviously I need to be patient on that as well. So unfortunately I cannot show you any photographs or pictures. It is a top secret project, that one, and I've showed you a little bit of the Range Rover body kit that will be coming out hopefully very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. So thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, and obviously share all our videos, and make sure you comment as well and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you on the next vlog.